Bacon Cheddar Crunch Dogs in the gorgeous Finger Lakes region of New York State on a guy's photography trip after we've been hiking all morning taking pictures. Sounds pretty good to me. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Today we are using the Blackstone Adventure Ready Cook and Clean Toolkit and the Blackstone Essential Hot Dog Kit. If you are a new griddle owner, these two sets combined are kind of, sort of, almost all you need to get started. I love both of them, they're great. So let's get started on our hot dog cook today. We need to make 4 slices of bacon. For this hot dog recipe, we are going to use 1 slice of bacon for each hot dog. Some really simple math here for you, Camp Griddlemore. After we get our bacon cruising and it is at our desired level of crispiness, we get to score our hot dogs with the Blackstone hot dog scoring tool. And I am gonna score each dog on each side. I'm gonna do a double score on each of these dogs, Sean, and then they are gonna go right onto the griddle. Once our hot dogs are ready, you can give them a flip or you can give them a roll, but get them over on the other side. Then we're going to put down our hot dog rack right on the griddle top. You can put this right on the griddle top, and I do not have the burner on over on the left side of the griddle. Now we're gonna put our buns down and get them nicely toasted. Once they are toasted the way we like them, we're gonna put them onto the rack and we are gonna assemble our entire Bacon Cheddar Crunch hot dog right here on the griddle top. Now that each of our hot dogs has a home, we're gonna add 1 slice of bacon to each of the dogs. We're gonna put down 3 pickles on the other side of the hot dogs. Then we're gonna go down with some really delicious pub cheddar, and man, I love pub cheddar on a hot dog. And then we are gonna let it rain with some diced onions on top. Obviously, if you don't like onions, you could leave these off, but I think they add just that perfect amount of extra flavor and extra crunch. Bacon Cheddar Crunch Dogs on the Blackstone 22-inch Adventure Ready Flex Fold Griddle. Sean, the secret here is the bacon, the cheddar, and then the crunch from the pickles and the onions. I cannot wait to bite into this thing. Could be a little messy. Camp Griddlemore, you've been warned. So many nice textures on this hot dog, Camp Griddlemore. That is one of the things I love about it. I love the crunch from the bacon, the crunch from the pickles, the creaminess of the pub cheddar. And Sean, you cannot put mustard or ketchup on this dog. It is not allowed. If you're following this recipe at home, I've got to lay down the law. This one does not need mustard or ketchup, I promise you, but I do need another bite. Camp Griddlemore, this essential hot dog kit is an absolute win. I really love this. Great little accessory kit for making really fun hot dogs. Make sure you grab one this summer for all your camping trips. I'm gonna finish this hot dog and then we've got some more exploring to do because we are surrounded by beautiful waterfalls up here in the Finger Lakes of New York. So we'll see all of you next time right here on Camp Griddlemore.